Hello guys, it's Alon for Tway here, and I'm back, and today I have another video for you guys. Oh yeah, this time I'm going to show you a cool new Minecraft map making tool that I've designed, and I've designed this because lately I've been working on a new map, which I haven't shown anyone yet, well anyone publicly that is, and it will be announced soon, so get hyped for that because I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's a very good game, and for it I had to design this tool. What this tool does is basically it allows you to add infinite settings for slow clocks. Basically, when I say that, I mean if you want a command to run once every 5 game ticks, or once every 10 game ticks, or once every 20 game ticks, which is a second. With this timing system, it is very easy to implement. And an example for this is on Infinity. I actually use this as well. Well, afterwards, yeah, there's something going on there as well. I'll keep quiet for now. Basically, for the grenades, whenever a grenade lands next to you, you hear a ticking sound. Now, if I were to put that on just a normal game clock, the ticking sound that is, then that command will run 20 times a second, the play sound command, and that wouldn't sound very good. It wouldn't be like a tick tick tick. It would just be a constant tick noise, and that's not good. I want it to run like sound like a tick tick tick. So, well, that's very good, isn't it? Good explanation. So what I did is I used one of these systems and I set it so that command will run once every 5 game ticks. And yeah, so the way I'm doing that is I'm using this system. So let me show you how this system works. First of all, I have these armor stands. You can add as many armor stands as you want and give them different names. I'm just using the 5 tick, 10 tick, and 20 tick armor stands to show you guys. So basically, I'm summoning an armor stand with a name of 20T, and the other important thing is the tag. I'm giving it the tag of timer stand, and I'm using that in the next command, which I'll show you guys. And that is the first command of this clock. The system itself for the timings is this clock. This is just a system for this whole timers thing that I'll show you guys in a second as an example. Basically, the first command is I add to any entity with a tag of timer stand a score of 1 in time trigger. So basically, once every game tick, it'll give them a score of 1 in time trigger. And if I were to set display sidebar the timer trigger, we can see that happening. So once every game tick, it goes up. And now what these command blocks do is there's one of these for every armor stand, and these just decide when the score is going to be reset. So for the 20 tick armor stand that's over here, I'm executing I'm not executing it. I'm giving any entity with a name of 20T and a score of timer trigger of 20. So basically, every time this goes up to 20, I reset the timer trigger score. So as you can see, we have up here that armor stand. It's going up and then boom, resetting up, resetting up, resetting, and that's that. And I'm doing the same thing for these ones as well, for the 5 ticks and 10 ticks. Only for them, I'm doing it in different scores. So for 5 ticks, I'm doing it when it's equal to 5, and for 10 ticks, I'm doing it every 10. So yeah, that's pretty much self-explanatory. And now the way you actually use this is with a simple execute command. So basically, you need to execute at the entity which you want the timer to run at. So for example, if you want a command to run every 20 ticks, you would execute at the 20T entity. If you want a command to run every 10 ticks, you would execute at the 10T entity. And basically, you execute at the entity. When their timer trigger score is equal to 0, you run your command. And for this command, I'm just giving a fake player that his name is 1 second. I'm giving him a score of 1 in timers. Well, I'm adding him. So as you can see, this 1 second fake player here is gaining one point or 1 score, however you want to say it, every 20 game ticks. And I'm doing the exact same thing here for half a second fake player and quarter second fake player. So basically, as you can see, this score is half of this score, and this score is half of this score because I started all these guys at the same time. So yeah, that's just one way of doing it. And if I wanted to do anything else, I would just change this command over here, and this command will run once every 20t. And it's very, very simple to add things to this. For example, if you want to add another armor stand that'll activate once every 2 seconds or 40 ticks, you can just copy this command and change this name here to 40t, and then you would only need to add one more command block over here where you reset it the 40t armor stand every 40 seconds. And now it's very, very simple. We can add another command here, and where we say every 2 seconds give it a score of 1, and we base it off of the 40t armor stand. And now we should get a new thing over here. Let's see, why not? Where I screwed up here somewhere. Scoreboard players add 2 seconds, timers 1. That's weird. Oh yeah, lol. You obviously need to spawn it. So there we go. Now, as you can see, this will go up once every 2 ticks. Not 2 ticks, sorry, 2 seconds. So yeah, that's this system. As you saw, it's very, very easy to add things to it. And yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please leave a like down below and tell me what you think in the comment section. I really appreciate feedback, as in, like, do you think this can be improved? Anything can be added to make it better? It's always fun to hear what you guys have to say. And make sure to subscribe for more command blocking videos, because I'm planning on releasing a lot of them as soon as I release the game projects, because I'm sure you guys will have a lot of questions about how I'm doing things there. Oh yeah. So, hope you all enjoy, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye. Lately, I've had some more time since I've basically finished all of my exams. I only have one left, and then I'm done forever. Oh yeah. Well, until university, but whatever. We'll get when we get there, we'll discuss that. Anyways, fuck me. I suck at this. The only thing, I've actually developed this, and this is a tool for fuck me and side dishes for bull crap. That's just, it's not the effect I wanted. So in order to make it so that the sound, fuck, why do I stutter so much? Jesus fuck.